Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hi, everybody. Are we all online?
Yes, ma'am.
Superb.
No,
Wow, what a good-looking bunch in their Pehchan shirts. I love it. Or the black ones, whichever ones that are wearing. Anushka, where's that smile? Yeah, I see it. All right. Good job, everyone. Happy to see you here. Happy to see you here. Happy to see you here. Let's start with prayer, please. Close your eyes. Please close your eyes. Thank you, Father, for choosing us to do this work. Thank you for calling us here. Thank you for bonding us all by heart. As we step into this day, we do not know what is in store for us. We don't know who is going to show up on the call, who's not, how we're going to do, but we know that this journey has been blessed. Thank you for watching over all of us as we step into do your work. In your name we pray. Amen. All right. Wow, my hands are actually shaking. That's how excited I am. All right. Guys, which two activities are we going to do today? Which two activities are we going to do today?
10 things, deserted island.
That's right, 10 things at deserted island. So I'm going to quickly review what the highlights are going to be for you to cover for both these activities, all right? So actually, somebody tell me what is 10 things in common. Faiza, can you walk me through 10 things in common? Don't look at your notes, just talk. Unmute your phone, darling. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. 10 things in common is the first activity we will be conducting with our mentees today. The time allotted for this activity is 20 minutes. We will be explaining them the activity. All the participants need to find 10 things in common between them and write them down. They will be given 10 minutes time, and it can be any basic things. So first to explain them the activity. If they are able to find 10 things in common between themselves, then it's great. They need to give it in English sentences and tell it to us. But if they are unable to find 10 things in common between them, then we've received a set of questions from team activities which can help build up the conversation, and we can help them come back to those 10 things in common which are between them.
Superb, Faiza. Thank you so much. Everybody clear on how we are conducting this? Okay, tell me something. As soon as you log into the call, you're just going to say, let's go to the first activity?
No.
No, ma'am.
No, you're not. That's not what you're going to do. Avisha, what are you going to do? What are you going to do once you get off this call and get onto the call? I mean, once you get onto the call with them?
So I will ask them how their day was. Did they have breakfast? How do they feel today? Are they excited for what we are going to do? Then I will give them a summary of the two activities that we are going to do. Not explain, but just tell them that today we are going to conduct two activities with you. And I will ask how excited they are for it. And then I'll begin explaining the first activity when they are ready.
Superb. So you're going to start with building rapport, connection, getting them into the environment of online Pehchan, getting ready to do these activities which are going to level them up, going to prepare them for college, build their confidence, right? You're going to get them aligned, and then you're going to start the activity. Second activity, Ritu, is Deserted Island. Please, can you give us a quick walkthrough of how Deserted Island is to be conducted quickly, okay?
Yes, yes. So basically for Deserted Island, team activities have given us a list of scenarios.
1 second, please. Satyam, mute your phone, darling. Please mute your phone.
Someone please mute me, please.
Someone please mute you. All right. Anjali, did you mute him? Great. Ritu, go ahead, darling.
Yes, ma'am. So basically we have been provided with a list of scenarios which we will ask our mentees to go and get from their homes. Like suppose you can bring 3 items to the deserted island with you. So we will ask our mentees to go and get it from their home and explain why would they take it to the island.
That's right. So you have several things they have to bring. 3 food items, 3 books, 3 movies. Is it enough, Madhura, for them to just bring the 3 food items and say, Didi, these are my 3 food items?
No, ma'am, they have to explain why did they bring it.
Correct. In English or in Hindi?
Ma'am, in English, but if they are not able to, they can, explain in Hindi.
And what will our job be if they are explaining it in Hindi?
Ma'am, try and help them to translate in English. Like
That's
if
right.
if I'm saying कि मैंने banana लाया है क्योंकि मुझे banana पसंद है. So I am the mentor, so I will translate in English for them that I have brought banana because I love it. That's how.
Yeah, so not necessarily translate the entire sentence, right? You would start with saying something like, in English, like how do you say me?
Yeah.
So they would say I. And then, do you understand what I'm saying? And then whichever words they can come up with, that will be great. Then you put the sentence structure together for them. But once you put the sentence structure together for them, make them repeat it so that it starts sitting in their minds. All right. So if you say, I have brought a banana, then get them to repeat. Like now you say it. And then when you give them the instruction to repeat, don't say abhi aap bolo. Say it the instruction in English. Now you say it. Do you understand? All right, everybody were on the same page. So these are the only 2 activities you're conducting today. Only 2 activities. Activities has given a suggested time limit for each. That does not mean you cannot take a little extra time should you need it. That's why we've cut the number of activities per day. Please spend a good amount of time on this deserted island activity because it is going to allow them to work the creative side, which is the right brain, and the left side, which is one that will allow them to put their sentence structures together. So I think activities has suggested, if I'm not mistaken, 50 minutes for this. I'm completely okay if you take an hour and 15 minutes to complete this. Got it? But let them speak, allow them to speak, allow them to connect with the thought, with the idea, and to express it. Got it? Walk me through today's schedule, please, Sapna. Walk me through today's schedule. So 10 a.m. is this OC launch. Then right after this call at 10:40 is?
Our mentees call.
That's right, our mentees call. Vinita, after the mentees get off the call, what happens next?
After the mentees get off the call, we get on a call with them again, and that's when we start with the introduction and just a small connection building with them. Post that, we do the first activity, that is 10 things in common.
Perfect. Very well said, Vinita. After you get off the call, Shraddha, then what do you do?
Ma'am, after we get off the call, we need to fill up the feedback form and we need to send our videos after that.
Very good. And what's next on the agenda after you submit the feedback form and the videos, Dilkush?
there's a call with your senior member, so get
There's a call with your senior member to do a debrief. After the call, what do you do? After the call, what do you do, Misha?
Ma'am, at 6 o'clock, there's another call where there will be debriefs for the next day and feedback for the entire day as to how you performed and what could be done better.
No, that's the feedback call you're going to have with your senior. Once you finish the feedback call with your senior, what do you have to do?
Prepare for day 2.
Yes, nothing. Chill. Prepare for day 2. Absolutely nothing. Once you're done with your senior, you're done for the day. All right? Once you're done with your senior, you're done for the day. And then you get ready for day 2. Somewhere between the time you finish your phone call, your session with your mentees and your debrief with your seniors, somewhere in between that time, you should be sending your mentees something. What is that something?
Stickers.
Yes, Iksha, stickers. That's right. You should be sending your mentees stickers so that you can still stay connected with them after the call. Those Pehchan stickers that we've made, everybody has access to them. Yes, okay. So you should, very good. Iksha, look, Madhura's clapping for you. Did you see that? You should send the stickers, all right, to keep them encouraged. And then I will see you again when? Ananya, I will see you again when? Ananya,
10 a.m. tomorrow.
That's right, 10 a.m. tomorrow. I see you again at 10 a.m. tomorrow. Everybody knows who the coaching mentor is in your pair and who the partner mentor is? Everybody knows who your senior is? Very, very good. Now, I'm going to attempt something over Zoom. I haven't attempted in all these weeks, but let's see how it works, right? We have some thank yous to say for bringing this, this Pehchan to life here online with all of us here. Now, I don't know how this is going to work. Let's experiment, shall we? So, I'm going to say who we need to thank, at which point I want you to unmute your phones and just really clap for them, all right? Now, don't clap right into your microphone and drive someone crazy, but really superbly acknowledge them for the role that they have played in this. Can we do that? Shall we at least try it? Shall we at least try it? Okay, superb. Let's give it a shot. So the first team, the first committee, the first team, first let me finish my thank you before you all just start, okay? Is team activities. Listen, look at everything they've done for us. I have to recap everything they've done for us. Not only have they planned the activities, they've given you a YouTube playlist with each activity explained. Every mentor training has been recorded and uploaded. You have an activities PDF explaining in detail how to run the activities. They've sent you the feedback on Google Forms to make it easier for you to submit right after you're done. They assigned activities people to do training and coaching with all those who didn't initially qualify as coaching mentors to make sure that we've made the correct decisions. Because of their effort, every single one of you is going to do some part of the coaching this week. This is everything Team Activities has done for you. So can we please give them a round of applause? Unmute your phone so they can hear it. Unmute your phone so they can hear it.
Hello.
Super good job. Super good job. To go Team Activities.
So much, ma'am.
Welcome. Well deserved. Well deserved. All right. We have social media who have consistently been putting up posts, consistently been creating momentum for us. Like Ronak last night, just within a matter of minutes, has put up the training from yesterday's for the seniors, put up our OC call from yesterday. It's all available for all of us. And so we really need to thank our social media team for doing such a great job. Can we thank our social media team for doing a great job?
Oh, social media!
Here we go. Good job. 13. You see those amazing articles Bhushan, Khushi and PR secured for us? That too in a vernacular language, so that our target audience is aware of what we are doing. So Team PR has also been working hard. So please let's acknowledge them as well. Thank you, Team PR. Thank you very much.
Go PR.
Right. Team PR, way to go. So that's activity, social media, PR. And listen, just because I'm thanking this committee last does not mean at all that they have done work in the least. Okay? If it wasn't for our logistics team, these quiet, silent workers in the background, Airtels, Ideas, Vodafones, whose phones we need to fill, who needs data pack, who has a smartphone, which mentors have contacted their mentees, who is the senior for so-and-so, let's reshuffle so-and-so, make 2 go here, make 4 go there, where are the ID cards, get them the ID cards. They are your fuel in the background. They are absolutely have been your fuel in the background. So let's give Team Logistics a huge acknowledgement. Way to go, Team Logistics. We're so proud of you. So we have 4 teams working for us to bring this to life. 7 weeks, guys, 7 weeks, 80 youth in lockdown, and we're about to get, do you know final numbers? Has anybody explained what final numbers are? We have confirmed. There may be a dropout as the week goes along, but as you begin today, we have confirmed 100 participants today. 100 confirmed participants today. That means smartphones have been checked, data has been checked, video has been checked, audio has been checked. 100 participants. 100 participants. Wrap your brain around that. Remember, I had, so beyond, y'all have exceeded anything we had in mind for this online Pehchan. So as you get on the phone today, as you start working with your mentees, know that a lot of back end has gone into this. Imagine how much you all have prepared. All the effort you've put into mentor training, this is the time it needs to pay off. We also have a few individuals who've been working behind the scenes that we need to thank, please. If you would allow me, just for today, on Friday, we'll do a proper closing, but just for today, let me acknowledge all of their names. Your Bridge Squad, and you know who they are, your Bridge Squad, supported by Keisha, your advisor. I tell you, if it wasn't for them, how we would have moved, how we would have done, how we would have been guided, would have been a completely different ballgame. So I do believe they deserve a round of applause from you. So are you joining me in this? Joining me in this? So everybody, listen. Biggest round of applause. Biggest round of applause goes to whom? Goes to whom? Biggest round of applause goes to whom?
Bridge Squad.
Yourself.
Oh, we already did that. Biggest round of applause goes to whom?
Yourself.
Isha. Anushka, all of you. Can you imagine how could we have handled 100 mentees if all of you were not trained, if all of you were not prepared, if all of you were not going to get on the phones today with them? So the biggest round of applause goes to you all of you. Great job, great participation, great job. Me kids, we're so happy to see you here. I'm so happy things worked out for you all to participate with us and for you all to be here. So good on you. Everyone's super excited. I am the supercharged. I can't wait for these feedbacks and to see how your days go. Just because you're not going to see me at the end of the day does not mean you cannot message us how the day went. You can put on the group how you felt the day went. All right? Take happy screenshots if you're not recording, so we can capture some of these amazing moments. All right, I promised we wouldn't make this a long call because you all need about a good 15-20 minutes to get your mentees onto our calls, onto our next launch Zoom call. Senior team will be on that call, please, because we can't accommodate so many people on that call. So senior team will be on that call. It will also be a quick call, all right? And so you should be up and running with your mentees somewhere around 11:15. You should be good to go with your mentees, all right? Super excited. May we close with the affirmation, please? May we close with the affirmation, please? All right, so here's how we're gonna attempt to do it. Attempt to do it. Let me see. If your name starts with, everybody knows what letter your name starts with? You'll be surprised how many people will forget. All right. Satyam, don't laugh at me. Even you know it's true. All right. If your name starts with the letters A through F. A through F. Sapna, you got it? Which letter your name starts with? Got it? If your name, way to go, Sapna. If your name starts with A through F, you are doing the Hindi, Marathi, and Gujarati portions. If your name starts with any other letter, that means any letter after F. What comes after F, Akhilesh? G. Oh, amazing. If your name starts with G to Z, you will be doing which portion, Pari? English portion. Oh, amazing. Amazing. All right. Now, listen. This is an exercise in listening. You all are all in different places. We are not even in the same place. I mean, like, I thought about this long and hard last night. My kids who couldn't do the name switch thing, whether they'll be able to do this. Let's try it. Listen to what your other mentors are saying and then step in. All right, let's try to be in sync. Started on Monday, by Friday we'll get it right. All right, ready? Are we ready? A through F, you ready? E through Z, ready? Let's start.
We are India's promise.
हम भारत का विश्वास है
We are India's dream.
हम भारत का सपना है
We are India's
hope. हम भारत की आशा है.
पहचानो हमें
Hold on one second.
We are more than our skin color.
Say that together. 1, 2, 3.
पहचानो हमें.
All right. Next line. Keep going. We're doing well. Keep going.
more than our skin color.
के रंग से अधिक.
More than our
More than our religion.
से ज़्यादा.
live and more than what we do.
पहचानो हमें.
पहचानो हमें.
Chano hame. Then
हम नहीं डरते.
Not afraid.
हम किसी को
दोषी नहीं
In anyone.
खुद के सपने देखते
खुद के सपने देखते हैं.
Our own dream.
Dream our own dreams.
हम खुद के
मौके
सर्जन करते हैं.
Create our own
Opportunities.
opportunities. opportunities.
forward in the future
into the
to create for ourselves.
we create for ourselves.
Chano hame.
Leave.
मानते हैं आमी
आम्ही
मानतो
मानतो
आम्ही
मान्य छे
we believe together.
Unity,
दोस्ती
friendship, equal opportunities for all.
That education can create these
Can create
opportunities.
these opportunities.
We stand in the faith that we
Education can create these opportunities.
Meet everyone, please.
पहचानो हमें
हमारी पहचान
हमारी पहचान है
पहचान है आपकी पहचान
मैं आपकी पहचान है
That was so
वो मैं
useful.
हूँ
I can't even tell me saying stop. Okay, we'll do this differently tomorrow. We'll do this differently tomorrow. We just thought we'd make an effort today. Listen, the one line from the affirmation I want you to take as we leave today is we create our own opportunities. We create our own opportunities. And that's exactly what we've done here today. That's exactly what we've done here this week. We have created our own opportunities, and we are about to teach another 100 children how to create their own opportunity. So be super proud of that. Go into today with an open heart and an open mind and enjoy the day. Become friends with your mentees, but remember you are their coaches. Set the Pehchan standard for them so that they have something to aspire to. Give them something to aspire for. All right? All right. I am super, super proud of all of you. I'm super proud of the effort all of you have made. I'm super proud of watching all of you level up. 7 weeks ago, I put a challenge in front of you all to level up. And as I sit here looking out at all these amazing faces, I see kids who have leveled up and who are about to go back out and pay it forward by helping someone else level up. I'm super proud of you all. Have the best day. Have the best day. All right. We're going to put the link for the mentee call onto 2020 group. Please, once you get off this call, help your mentees get onto that call. All right. And I will see you all again tomorrow morning. I love you. I'm excited to hear about your days. All right. See you soon and hear from you even sooner. Bye, everybody. Have the best day.
So much.
Bye.
Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
ma'am.
Thank you, Mohammed.